Everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn about how to add charts to our data and how to visualize our data. So what are the charts? Charts are the actually graphical representation of the data through which we will be able to present our data in a simplified format. Okay. Companies maintain actually large set of data. By looking into large set of data, one cannot make decisions informedly, or one cannot make decisions easily. If that data is presented in a graphical format or a pictorial format, then it makes it easy for the users to visualize the data and get insights about the data in a easy format. So for that purpose we add charts or graphs to our data and present the information or present the data to the readers or to the investors or to the stakeholders. Okay, by looking at the charts one can make decisions like in which region sales is less or in which region sales is more, and which product is in high demand or which product is in low demand, and in which area or in which region we need to focus, or in which region we need to invest more capital, or which region is like going into loss or which region is going into profit. All these decisions we can make using data visualization through charts. So let's learn how to add charts to our data. So first what we need to do is we need to just select all the data and go to insert tab. Under insert tab you can see charts group over here. Here, first one is recommended charts. Excel will automatically recommend some of the chart types for you so that you will add some charts as per the Excel recommendation. Okay, if I click on recommended charts, you can see Excel has recommended two charts for me. One is clustered column and another one is line charts. For line charts, when we use it when we want trend, when we want to see the trend over year. Okay, so for example here the year is 2001 to 2004. So what is the trend from 2001 to 2004? How much sales the company has targeted? Is the sales increasing or decreasing, or there is no change in the sales? So by using line charts we can see trends in the sales. Okay, so for looking at the trend, the line chart is most beneficial. So Excel has recommended two charts over here, cluster column or line charts. You can use whatever you want as per your requirement. For example, if I select on this, see, line charts gets added, and you can reduce or increase the size, height, width as per your requirement just by dragging the chart. Okay, when we click on chart, one more tab will get open, that is chart design. In chart design you can choose the design of the charts as per your requirement, like what color or how format or which format the chart should be. As per your requirement you can choose this. For example, if I click on style 2, then see, as per your requirement you can choose any of the styles you want. I'll choose this one for now, and we can like visualize the data. Okay, and if I double click on this, one more format plot area will open. So in format plot area, what we'll do, we'll just format the picture or we'll just format the charts over here. If you don't want this background color to be applied to the chart, and you can remove those, or if you want gradient to be applied, or if you want pattern to be applied to the charts, you can do so by just double clicking on the chart, and one more field will open, that is format plot area. Under fill, if I just click here, you can see no fill, solid fill, gradient fill, automatic, pattern, picture, etc. If I click on no fill, see, the fill will get removed. Just a minute. See, background color has removed. Okay, Excel has removed background color. If I click on no fill, if I want it to be solid fill, then just click on solid fill. See, and if you want it to be gradient, you can choose color over here also. Okay, if I want it to be some purple color, some shades of purple, or if you want it to be green, you can do so as per your requirement. If you want it to be gradient fill, then just click on this. And if you want to be gradient stops for in between here, then just click these arrows and drag over here. And if you click here, then see gradient will get created in the middle. If you want it to be on the beginning, then just click on this and just drag it at the beginning, and gradient will get created at the beginning. Okay, and if you want it to be more transparent, then just increase transparent percentage. If you want it to be less transparent, then just decrease the transparent percentage here. Okay, and if you want it to be less brightness, then just decrease the percentage. As per your requirement, you can do so. You can format your chart as per your requirement. Okay, you can add shadows to the charts. Just increase the transparency of the shadow, size, blurriness, distance. Okay, so this is one way how we can format our charts. You can add charts title also. Just click over here and edit the chart title. And if I want it to be like total sales trend by year. Okay, so yeah, this is one way to format your line charts. There will be many types of charts present in Excel. For example, pie chart, bar chart, line chart, histogram, etc. If I want to add pie charts, then just click or select all data and go to pie chart, and you will get three types of pie charts. One is 2D pie, 3D pie, and donut. If I want to select 3D, then just click on 3D pie chart, and 3D pie chart will get applied. If you want, you can increase or decrease the height and width as per your requirement. Okay, and as per your requirement, you can format your pie chart like no fill, solid fill, gradient, pictures, etc. You can want add as per your requirement. Okay, so I hope you understood these charts, how to add charts to our data and how to visualize our data by using charts. Okay, so if you have any doubt, please post those questions or doubts in the comment section below. I will try to answer your questions. And if you want me to make videos on some another topic or any other topic, then you can mention those topics in the comment section also. I will try to make video on those topics. So till then, keep supporting me, like my videos, share my videos, and subscribe to my channels. And if you have any doubt, please mention those doubts in the comment section below. So stay tuned for the next videos. Bye bye.